Welcome. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down. Let your eyes gently close and begin to bring your attention inward. This is your time, a quiet space just for you. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath in. Hold it softly for a moment and exhale slowly. Feel your body begin to relax. With every breath, let go a little more. Let go of any tension in your face, your neck and shoulders, your arms and hands, your back, your legs. Let it all soften. Feel yourself supported, anchored, safe. Now, gently bring your attention to the rhythm of your breath. No need to change it. Just notice the gentle rise and fall. Inhale, exhale, like waves flowing in and out. As you breathe, imagine a warm, calming light above you. With each breath, this light moves slowly through your body, down through your head and neck, into your chest and heart, your arms, your hands, your spine and hips, and down through your legs, all the way to your feet. This light brings peace, stillness, a deep sense of ease. Let your thoughts come and go, like clouds in the sky. There's no need to hold on to them. Just return gently to your breath. Inhale, exhale, allowing yourself to be fully present in this quiet moment. You don't need to do anything right now. No pressure, no expectations. Simply be. Feel this stillness filling you. A calm, steady presence within. Now, begin to bring yourself gently back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly roll your shoulders or stretch if that feels good. Take one more deep, nourishing breath in and exhale fully. When you're ready, open your eyes slowly and softly. Let the light return. As you move forward from this space, carry this calm with you. Let it stay with you. Like a quiet strength, a steady breath. You've given yourself a beautiful gift. A moment to pause. A moment to breathe. A moment to reconnect. May the peace you feel now continue through the rest of your day or guide you gently into a restful night.